So I was feeding my 65-gallon this morning, and I actually found fry in it. I haven't had fry in this tank since I put the rainbow fish in. I believe they are just guppies, but there are two that are very orange. But I do have orange guppies, a lot of male orange guppies in here. In fact, my favourite one's nowhere to be seen. He always hides when I get the camera out. But I never expected to see fry in this tank again. But they seem to survive. I don't know how. So I wonder what the possibility is of any of the rainbow eggs hatching out. I did try to take some out and put them in another tank, but that didn't work as far as I can see. But the babies are down in the corner where I actually see the rainbows spawning. So, you know, you never know. I have had a neon surviving here and a Cory cat. So there's always a possibility that one day I may see one new fish I wasn't expecting. This tank is in so need of a haircut. But I've still not got my quarantine tank put up yet. I'm falling behind on everything. So there are just some pretty orange fish. So maybe those little orange fish I see down there are going to be orange guppies. The male I love, he's just never out when I've got my camera. Oh, there he is, he's right at the top. He's beautiful, and I have been tempted to take him out and put him with some of my other fish. There are some lovely males in here. So Victor's not been doing his job. He's been allowing babies to live. Once they get past newborn, he has no interest in them. He can swim with babies that are 3 or 4 days old, and he's not interested. He's only interested in newborn. It's a weird fish. My two boys there showing off to each other. I've got to keep an eye on them because they do fight and they do hurt each other sometimes. An odd scale missing. So what were baby guppies in here, baby guppies in the other tank, and what seems to be now nearly 100 white cloud. I'm going to have my hands full.